So good day everyone. So last time I presented to you the answer in our exercises in outlining a reading material. So just a review, when you outline your reading material, first look for the keywords and phrases that are important points in the composition, because this will give you a hint what will be the main idea and supporting ideas in the composition. So this will also help you answer the question what the composition is talking about. So to get the main idea. By using the keywords and phrases, you can also easily identify the topic sentences in each paragraph, the thesis statement for the whole composition, which is the central idea. Once you have all the keywords and phrases, try to relate it so that you can draw out the other supporting ideas and details of the composition. You just have to connect it from one paragraph to the another, the keywords that you got from one paragraph to another paragraph, and then try to analyze how they are all related to each other, and if these keywords or phrases are giving you the information of what the main idea or the supporting idea in the composition. Okay, so again, once you have all the keywords and phrases, just try to relate it to each other and draw out the other supporting ideas and details of the composition. So once you already do that, arrange it by identifying the order or how it was arranged in the composition. One good thing in outlining a reading material, the organization or the order of the composition is given already. So you just have to follow the order or the organization presented in the composition. Okay, so that's it. So let's go to the bibliography. So prepare a bibliography of the materials used by a student in writing his/her paper and choose the appropriate format to the given materials. So let's check first the number one item. So a book entitled The Ideal President. It was written by Daryl Wyson and was published in Manila, Philippines by Anvil Inc. in 1999. So the material can be found on pages 86 to 89. So for the first answer, the most appropriate format based on the material is the MLA format. Why? Because it is a literary work written by a Filipino writer which talks about the ideal president. However, in reality, when choosing a format for a bibliography, it depends on the requirement of your school, university, or your professor, or the research you will do. So therefore, if someone of you choose the APA format, I will still accept it as long as you follow the correct way to write it. So we have here the MLA format and the APA format. So you can see also the difference how they write a bibliography for this material. So in the MLA format, you write the whole name of the author, surname and the full name, next followed by the title of the material, where it is printed, who published it, the year, and the pages, and the mode used for this material. For the APA format, because the focus in the APA format is the article or the product, itself. So Wyson is only the surname indicated, and the first name is just in initial. Followed by the year it is published, and then the title, the place where it's published, and the publisher. The pages where you can see the article. That is for the number one. So you have to follow the order how it is written, and of course very important is the indentation in the second part. Okay. We're not going to put everything in the first line. You have to put it on the second line, and the second line should be indented. Okay. Next. For the number 2, okay, item is, as I mentioned, I will both accept in MLA or F, APA format. So, but if we're going to base in what type of material are we going to make the bibliography, it's still considered as an MLA format. Okay, so but of course, as I've mentioned, both are will be accepted, because the important in this exercise is you know how to write both in APA and MLA format, so that when any of this require you to do, then you know how to do it. So if your teacher requires you to do MLA format, then you know how to write the MLA format. If it's APA, then at least you have an idea how to do it also. Okay, again, MLA format, okay, just follow, okay, how it is written, the order how it is written. The indentation is very important. So every time, okay, you need to put it in the next line, you have to, okay, indent it. Okay, so ganun din sa APA format. Okay, so the first is the author, the title of the article or the title of the composition or the essay, and then where you can find it. Okay, Classical Studies Quarterly, the month it was issued, the year it was issued, and the pages where you can find it in the Classical Studies Quarterly, and the mode, which is print. For the APA format, okay, same, the surname is in full, but the first name is, it should be the initial only. So if there is a middle name, you just put the initial also here. So for example, Jose P. De Leon, so JP De Leon. Okay, then followed by the year it was published, again the title of the article, and followed by the name of the article or the name of the journal or the magazine where it is, where you can where you can find it, and then the month it was issued and the pages. Okay, here you will observe that Classical Studies Quarterly is in italicized form. In some APA format, you will be required to italize the name of the magazine or the journal where you can find the article. Okay, so just follow the order it is presented. Okay. Next. Okay, so that's it. So our reference is, yes, Wyson DB. Okay, so 2016 English for Academic and Professional Purposes from Vibal Group Inc. Pages 16 to 21. So if you have any questions, clarification, just send a message in our chat box, or you can email me anytime. Okay, so I hope you learn how to write a bibliography in these exercises. So I'll be giving more exercises about this topic. Okay? Yun lang. So again, thank you for listening, and I hope you have a good or nice day. Bye.